Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
Of course. What type of account are you interested in?
I'm not sure. What options do you have?
We offer savings accounts and checking accounts.
I think I'd like a checking account.
Great choice. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have proof of address?
Yes, I brought a utility bill.
Perfect. Please fill out this application form.
Okay. How long will it take to open the account?
It usually takes about 15 minutes.
That's quick. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.